Hi, and welcome to this quick tool review. This will be a very quick review of the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh brand 28-piece transfer punch set. And the set is reasonably made. They work reasonably well as transfer punches. The reason I wanted to point them out is because at $10.99, and that's not even on sale, they're a pretty good deal just to get a large range of diameter material stock. If you want to push out half-inch bronze bushings or larger or smaller ones or bearings, they're really handy to have around. I have another set that I got in a estate sale here, and I used these recently to push these bearings out of here. So really handy to have around, and at $10.99, a good deal. They work fine as transfer punches. They are hardened and they seem to hold their point all right. I didn't check how close to perfect center they are, but if you're doing transfer punch work, you're probably not looking for ultra precise work, and if you are, then you probably should go with a better quality set. But again, at $10.99, this is great for a large range of diameters. So anyways, just thought I'd bring it up. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Hope to see you next time.